Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, October 3, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Tuesday, October 3, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong October 3, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, October 3, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 20 million pesos. Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos, and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 100 million pesos for October 3, 2023, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, October 3, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.